Hello everyone. This is an extensional part of tutorial videos dedicated to bug fixes. With help of one of my followers, I was able to find few issues with inventory system that you can find after completing part 3. And today we're gonna fix them. And let me show you how it works now. Now items are added only to first container and not added to other containers and are not added to second row. Part of these issues are fixed in next tutorial videos, but at least one of them is missing and we have to fix it now. First, let's open our BPC special inventory component and navigate to can add item to inventory function. Here we are returning without checking if has place for item in container is true or false. We should not do it like that. Let's add a branch here, connect it, connect result, and if true, then we are returning. Duplicate return node, and on completed, we are returning with false result. Next, let's navigate to has place for item in container. Let me check. Here, instead of these computations, let's delete them. We're gonna get dimensions from an item from this for each loop, get x, multiply it on y, and add to this x. And this is gonna be our index, connected to an index. Also, we don't need this return node here. We can delete it. And it should only be here on completed of for each loop. Next, let's navigate to add item to container function. And here, let's move it a little bit to the right. At this place where we are plugging dimension x to last index and dimension y to last index, let's change it. And instead of dimension x, it's going to be dimension x minus 1 that goes into last index. And the same for dimension y minus 1. And plug it here. Also, in user interface widget, in widget blueprint container cell, in event graph in draw items function, here we are drawing our items, and this part should be changed. It is shown in the next videos. In the next video at 23 minutes, if I remember correctly, this is a computation for indices. It should be computed like this, and this goes to local x, and this one goes to local y. So now items are rated correctly. And thanks for watching, and thanks for my subscriber for helping me finding these issues.